Hi everybody, it's Nolan Lord again, and in this video I want to show you how to set up your PowerLead system to send emails to your contact list directly from your Gmail account as opposed to the PowerLead system servers. The reason for this is it'll give you a little better deliverability as opposed to using the service. So how we're going to do this is we will hover over in your back office on email text, and then under extra features click on Gmail direct send. And as you can see, better deliverability. Instead of emails going through their servers, use your Gmail account to go directly to your contacts inbox. Now again, this only works for your contacts who have Gmail accounts. They've been working on Yahoo, Hotmail, MSN, and that has not happened yet, so it only works for Gmail contacts. Alright, so as you can see, the Nolan.Lord has already been set up. It's active, and I will want to show you how to do it step by step. So let me do another one. I'm going to enter a new account. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to log in. And once you log in, it'll take you to this page. Step one would be to log into your Gmail account to be sure that you are logged into that specific account. And step two, it'll ask you to click this link right here. And so once you click it, it'll ask you to turn this on or off. Usually when this first pops up, allows less secure apps, this usually will say on. You'd want to click it on. I'm sorry, it usually say off, but mine already said on. But you want to click it to make sure it is on. Alright? And then your next step would be to click on this, step 3. Click on this link right here. And once you get here, you just want to simply click continue. And account access has been enabled. Alright? And please try signing into your Google account once you do this. And when you do, you'd want to click on this, and you may get an email, or you will get an email from Google saying that your security settings have been changed and someone's been trying to access your device. And just know that this is just Google's way of protecting your security and your email. So when you see these emails, you just want to verify that yes, this was me. And so after you do all of that, you would click continue. And now, as you can see, this is the one I had set up and active before, the Nolan.Lord. It no longer is active, but the Nolan W Lord is active and is connected. So now that this is connected, I am able to send emails to any and all of my contacts who have a Gmail account, and it'll be sent from my Gmail account, and the deliverability will be far greater. And so if you do have two set up like this, all you have to do, if you want to go back to have this one active, just click on that link on the one that's inactive, click this, and now the Nolan.Lord is active again, and the other one has been deactivated. And that is how you send using Gmail Direct to your contacts or your leads. I hope this was very helpful to you, and if you have gotten any value out of this, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you're not part of the PowerLead system and you want to join, just click my link below in the comment section, and let's get going. Hey, let's start making some money online together. Alright? Take it easy. I will see you next time.